Hello, my lovely students. Today I'm going to teach you 10 powerful phrases and idioms which you can use in your conversation to sound more fluent. I'm going to give you very simple examples and clear meanings. So let's jump right in. Number one is show you the ropes. Show you the ropes mean to teach someone how to do an activity or a job, especially when someone is new. Don't worry about your first day. I will show you the ropes. The senior teacher showed me the ropes when I joined the school. Number two is easier said than done. It means that something that appears to be very simple, very easy, but actually it is not that simple. Losing weight is easier said than done. He said, stay calm, but that's easier said than done in such situations. Number three is face the music. Face the music means to accept the consequences of your action, often that is something unpleasant. He cheated in the exam and now has to face the music. It's time to face the music and apologize for your mistake. Number four is go hand in hand with. Go hand in hand means two things that usually go together or closely connected. Success often goes hand in hand with hard work. Stress and poor sleep go hand in hand. Number five is get me off the hook. Get me off the hook means to free someone from blame, responsibility, or trouble. Thanks for explaining to the boss. You really got me off the hook. My friend helped me finish the project and got me off the hook. Number six is odds and ends. Odds and ends mean something small things, unimportant things, leftover items. I spent the morning organizing odds and ends in my drawer. She bought some odds and ends from the market. Number seven is running short of, having less of something than required or needed. We are running short of time. Let's hurry. I am running short of money this month. Number eight is hold a grudge. Hold a grudge means to stay angry at someone for a long period of time because of something they did in the past. She still holds a grudge against her cousin. It's unhealthy to hold a grudge. Forgive and move on. Number nine is moaning and squawking. Moaning and squawking means complaining repeatedly and loudly. He kept moaning and squawking about the weather. The kids were moaning and squawking because they were bored. Number 10 is rack my brain. Rack my brain means to think very hard to remember or solve something. I racked my brain to remember her name. We racked our brain to find the solution. So, my lovely students, I hope you like all these 10 phrases and idioms and you are going to use it in the conversation. Tell me in the comments which one is your favorite. See you in the next video.